Let me tell you this, the most profound transformation in your life begins the moment you silence the endless chatter in your mind. That inner voice, the one constantly analyzing, doubting, replaying the past and worrying about the future. It's not who you are. It's simply noise. And when you quiet that noise, you create space for something extraordinary. Truth, clarity, and divine connection. Most people don't realize this, but we are prisoners of our own inner dialogue. That voice in your head, it's not just narrating your life, it's shaping it. Think about it. How often do you find yourself stuck in loops of self-doubt? I'm not good enough. What if I fail? Why did this happen to me? These aren't just thoughts. They're beliefs that build the walls of your reality. Let me assure you, the life you're living right now, the experiences you're attracting are direct reflections of the stories you keep telling yourself. But here's the truth. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer behind them. The moment you stop identifying with that inner chatter, you step into your power. With God, all things are possible. Let me tell you this with certainty. You are not alone in this journey. With God, all things are possible. This isn't just a comforting phrase, it's a universal truth. God isn't a force outside of you. He's the infinite energy within you, waiting for you to align with Him. Here's something I want you to write down. God wants me to succeed. It's not God holding you back, it's you. Every time you tell yourself, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve this, or it's too late for me, you're building walls around your blessings. But let me tell you, those walls are illusions. They crumble the moment you stop believing in them. When you silence the noise in your mind, you begin to hear the truth of who God is. And once you know who God is, you realize who you are. You are not a limited being, bound by fear or doubt. You are a reflection of the infinite, a co-creator of your reality. Write this down. Knowing God is knowing myself, and knowing myself is knowing limitless potential. Here's the secret to unlocking your potential. Silence. In the stillness, you stop reacting to life and start creating it. When you're constantly talking to yourself, analyzing every move, you're operating from fear and control. But when you quiet your mind, you create space for divine wisdom to flow through you. Carl Jung, the great psychologist, once said, "Who looks outside dreams, who looks inside awakens." Let me tell you this, the answers you're searching for are not out there. They're within you, waiting in the silence. So how do you achieve this silence? It starts with mindfulness. When a thought arises, don't fight it, observe it. Imagine you're watching clouds drift across the sky. They come, they go, but they don't define the sky. That's you. You are the still, vast awareness behind your thoughts. Now let me give you the key to your life's transformation. Your subconscious mind is always listening. It's like fertile soil, ready to grow whatever seeds you plant. If you're constantly feeding it doubt, fear, or negativity, those seeds will take root and shape your reality. But here's the good news. You can reprogram it. Neville Goddard, a master of belief and imagination, said, "You attract what you believe, not what you want." If you believe you're unworthy, the world will reflect that back to you. But if you believe you are deserving, limitless, and divinely guided, the universe will move mountains to prove you right. Let me tell you this. Stop feeding your mind with limiting stories. Replace them with truths that align with your highest potential. Write this down. What I assume to be true becomes true. If you assume success, success will find you. If you assume love, love will embrace you. This isn't magic, it's the law of life. Now that your mind is still and aligned, let me show you the next step. Action. But not just any action, inspired action. There's a difference between forced action, driven by stress and fear, and inspired action, which comes from alignment and clarity. Forced action feels heavy. It's born from a place of lack, from the need to control outcomes. Inspired action, on the other hand, feels light. It flows effortlessly because it's guided by your intuition and divine connection. When you take inspired action, you're not just working toward your goals, you're co-creating with the universe. Let me tell you with authority, when you align your actions with your inner truth, doors open. Synchronicities appear. The right people and opportunities flow into your life because you're moving with the current of divine energy, not against it. Let me leave you with this. Reinventing yourself is not about becoming someone else. It's about peeling away the layers of fear, doubt, and limitation that society, experiences, or even your own mind have placed upon you. It's about rediscovering the truth of who you already are, a limitless, powerful, divine being. Take a moment and reflect. What stories about yourself are you ready to release? What parts of your life no longer serve you, and what new truths are you ready to embrace? Write this down. Reinvention is not about adding more, it's about uncovering what was always there. Now, let me tell you this with absolute certainty. The shift you're looking for isn't out there. It's within you. The moment you stop talking to yourself, the moment you silence the noise, you'll hear the voice of your soul and the divine guidance that's been waiting for you all along. So the next time your mind starts to spiral, pause, breathe. Remind yourself of who you are. You are not your thoughts. You are the vast, infinite awareness behind them. And when you step into that truth, nothing can hold you back. You have the power. You always have. Now it's time to claim it.